Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video, I'm going to learn how to highlight duplicates in our columns using conditional formatting. As you can see, we have here a table of different employees where we have a unique employee ID, we have the name, the email, and also the department. The first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to highlight our column or our cells, and we are going to use the conditional formatting to highlight our duplicates using colors. Let's say, for example, if we want to highlight the duplicates in the name column, we select our cells, we click on Home, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and here we choose Duplicate Values. Here also you can choose any color that you want, and we click on OK. So as you can see here, we have John Smith, which has a duplicate, Anna Lopez, Rachel Green, and also we have Mike Brown. We can do the same thing for the email. We select all the cells, Home, Conditional Formatting, Highlight, and Duplicate Values. You can choose another color. Okay, so as you can see, we have duplicate values, and if we want to remove these duplicate values, we can select same thing, our cells. We go to Data, and here we select Remove Duplicates. When we click Remove Duplicates, and we select our column, which is the name. Okay, so here we have our table without the duplicates, and as you can see, we don't have the colors anymore. So that's it for this tutorial about dealing with duplicates in Excel. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching, and see you in next tutorial.